You guys alright? You scared me. Hey! Katie! What's going on here?
I think they're arguing.
I don't know. Quit it. What's wrong? Guys, be nice. You guys are sisters. What are you guys arguing about? Huh? You're telling me she's messing with you? Oh. Don't do that again. You guys startled me. What's wrong? Come here. Come here. Katie, leave her alone. Stop it. Ah, you're closer by me. Get over here. Are you camera shy? Oh, stop it.
They were just going crazy, fighting.
Stop it, Katie. Leave her alone.
Now it's here, so now they're chirping. I thought
They're
maybe
fighting.
I didn't think they were alive this morning.
Baby, stop it.
They're fighting.
Stop
They were fighting
it.
over the food, that stick. They were starting up that tree. They were going at it on the tree stick.
No, it's the yellow one. She's trying to bother her.
They finally realized it's there.
And I'm telling... No, I think Katie's the one that's picking on her. Katie?
To me, they're birds, not Katie and Carrie.
What's your problem?
Let's go.
What's your problem?
10 minutes.
Huh?
10 minutes.
I've been here 2 minutes and you're arguing. You two over there.
Well, I wonder if we should put them on the porch. Huh?
Huh?
Bring them on the porch, get some air.
It's worth a try. I mean, if you... I don't know.
They can go outside.
There's no taste out there, yeah.
Let's go.
Let me bring my drink.
This house is bigger than our trailer.
Oh! Sorry.
I'll get my phone.
30s, what's wrong, baby? Wait, I can't see you now. What's wrong? Stop the fighting! What's wrong? Guys, stop it. I've been here for 3 minutes and you're starting?
That's it, we gotta punish them.
Katie! Stop!
They're talking to each other, they're saying, isn't it cool outside?
They're scaring me. I don't know if they're arguing or...
No, they're talking.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Look at, he thinks he's at the park now, he's on a swing.
Who, the green and black one?
No, the other one is right up on top there.
Oh, Katie, that's Katie. Carrie, she's over there.
Yeah. Wow, they loud. Okay, quiet down. Quiet down.
They're startling me. I don't know if they're like... Guys, calm down.
That's how they talk to each other.
Alright, I'm gonna sit here. I'm gonna zoom in on them. I'm videotaping them, Grandma.
Yeah.
Guys, I've been here for 3... Are they trying to talk to me?
Yeah. You're talking to each other.
Birdies, I'm here. Talk to your mommy. Talk to your mother. Talk to your mother. Me, right here. I'm your mother. What happened? Tell me what happened today. What? What happened? What happened? Come here. What? What? Is it nice outside? What, baby? What?
Leave them, they're having fun.
I'm
That's how they talk, Nana.
I'm videotaping them. Birdies, I can't see you now. Are you playing hide and go seek?
Move it in the middle here. Watch out. These kids will be coming home right now, too.
Oh.
Look at all that poop on the pole. Mama's got some cleaning to do. Oh, you have to wash that pole out.
Yeah. Birdies, you didn't want to go to
I wonder if
sleep?
these get any bigger, or do they stay that size?
They usually stay that size.
They don't get big?
No, not that I
They don't
know.
grow?
No, I don't. Well, I don't think
These birds
so.
won't grow?
They are, huh?
I thought Papa was gonna punch him. And Papa's got to move that, this tree bird, because it's right there by the pole.
Why aren't you talking to your mommy? I'm right here. You know, I used to have another bird that was so crazy like you guys. I have 2 of you. 2.
And you can put the glove on to reach your hand inside there and play with them.
You're not gonna talk to your mommy? Huh? I went through a hard day today, so they don't care. They're like, we don't care about you.
Like, what about us? We were stuck with this old lady all day. She tried to put us to bed at 8 o'clock.
Who?
Me. Remember I said I put the cover over them so they could take a nap?
Birdies, you couldn't go to sleep for a little bit?
No, because they just woke up.
No, I woke them up at 6,
8
remember?
o'clock in the morning was too early.
Oh, they were sleeping at 6? No, I thought I woke them up at 6.
You woke them up?
Yeah, remember you said, oh, you're taking off the cover? I said, yeah. Are you gonna bite me if I stick my finger there? I think they will. They will nibble at me. I can't see them. Oh, I see her. There's, no, where's Katie? Oh, Katie's in the middle, but I can't see her. There she is. I think they're used to it, Grandma.
Yeah, I'll take a picture of that.
Go ahead. Are they camera shy? I think they are.
Oh, there's the other bird.
Yeah, there's 2. You're not gonna bond with your mom today? Huh? Huh?
Oh.
No.
Oh, okay. I see one.
No, you gotta get up closer, like over here, cause they're down here.
I see him.
Baby. Katie. Katie, come here.
Right there. Now I got two.
You know I'm recording them? How do you know?
How come I got a lot of bird pictures on my phone?
Send them to me.
You already got them.
What?
Bird pictures.
Oh, from what? These birds? What are you talking about?
Yeah.
So they wouldn't even go to bed?
No, it was too early. I was joking with them.
Oh.
It was 8 in the morning. They just woke up.
Oh. Okay, I'll let you guys bond.